Deep beneath the ocean, an undersea laboratory was home to a giant shark. The shark was modified on the genetic level by a group of scientists. The laboratory that housed the creature was breached and exploded. Everyone and everything was destroyed. Many fishermen claimed to have seen the ghost of the beast, and sailors spoke in hushed tones of its ferocious power. But one group of researchers refused to believe the rumors. They believed that the giant shark was nothing more than a myth, a legend created to scare the superstitious. The team of researchers consisted of 5 scientists, all experts in their respective fields. They had heard of the giant shark and decided to embark on a mission to find out the truth. They were equipped with the latest technology, including a submersible that could dive deeper than any other craft. As they descended into the abyss, the scientists were filled with excitement. They had no idea what they would find, but they were sure it would be groundbreaking. But as they neared the depths where the undersea lab was destroyed, something strange began to happen. The temperature dropped suddenly, and the water grew murky, making it hard to see anything. Suddenly, the submersible shook violently, and the scientists heard a deafening sound. They knew instantly what it was. The giant shark had found them. The beast circled the submersible, its jaws wide open, and its eyes glowing red. The scientists were frozen with fear, not knowing what to do. The giant shark lunged at the submersible, its massive teeth piercing the metal hull. The scientists screamed as the water began to flood the craft, but they managed to activate the emergency beacon, hoping someone would rescue them. Hours passed, and the scientists began to lose hope. They knew that no one could reach them in time, and the giant shark was still circling them, waiting for its prey. But then, something unexpected happened. The submersible began to rise to the surface, and the scientists could see a ship in the distance. As they were rescued, the scientists told their story, but no one believed them. They were told that they had suffered from hallucinations caused by the high pressure and lack of oxygen. But the scientists knew what they had seen, and they knew that the giant shark was still out there, waiting to strike again. Years went by, and the legend of the giant shark grew more prominent. Sailors spoke of a cursed area where ships disappeared without a trace, and some claimed to have seen the ghostly figure of the beast. But one day, a team of marine biologists discovered something disturbing. They found a new species of shark, one that was far larger than any other shark ever seen. The scientists soon realized that this was no ordinary shark, but a descendant of the giant shark. It had somehow survived the explosion that destroyed the laboratory and had been living in the depths, growing in size and power. The new breed of shark had inherited the giant shark's intelligence and ferocity, making it even more dangerous than its ancestor. The world was once again at the mercy of the giant shark, and the scientists knew that they had to act fast. They began working on a new project, one that would help them understand the beast and hopefully find a way to stop it. But as they worked, they could hear the giant shark banging against the hull echoing through the halls, a constant reminder of the terror that lurked in the deep.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the thumbs up button below. It really helps the channel to grow. If you have any suggestions, please don't hesitate to write them in the comment section.